Life cycle of malarial parasite in mosquito. Objective: to learn the life cycle of Plasmodium, the malarial parasite in the invertebrate host Anopheles mosquito. In an earlier session, we have discussed the unheard story of Bill Gates with Microsoft. If you have not watched that, then click on the I button. Do not forget to share and subscribe, cause one subscription makes our life beautiful. So in this session, let's discuss the events of the life cycle of Plasmodium. Malaria is a disease caused by the unicellular parasite Plasmodium, which belongs to the phylum Sporozoa. Once an infected female mosquito bites a healthy human to feed on blood, immature malarial parasites at the sporozoite stage will enter the human. The sporozoites will multiply as actually into merozoites in the liver cells. The merozoites will break open the liver cells and enter the RBC. Beginning the endothyrocytic cycle inside the RBC, the merozoites will transform into feeding forms. Tropozoite, feeding on the hemoglobin, transforming into schizont. The schizont will produce numerous merozoites which will rupture the red blood cells. Hemojoin pigment and toxic substances will cause malaria. Some of the merozoites will differentiate into gametocytes or gametes, which will not develop any further in the red blood cells and will not rupture the cells. Now let's see how the parasite completes its life cycle in the mosquito. When a female Anopheles mosquito sucks the blood of a malarial patient, the gametocytes will enter the mosquito inside the mosquito's zygote. The gametocytes will differentiate a spindle-shaped male and spherical female gametes. The gametes will fuse to form a diploid zygote in the stomach of the mosquito. The spherical zygote will soon develop into elongated worm-like ukinete. Ukinete will penetrate the wall and eventually reach the outer surface. A cyst known as an oocyst will form under the unit. Inside the oocysts, the ukinete will divide is actually to produce the infective spindle-shaped sporozoites. The sporozoites will rupture the oocysts and move to the salivary gland, where they will wait to be injected into a new human host. When an infected human bites a healthy human, the sporozoites will begin a new life cycle. Summary: the malarial parasite is Plasmodium and belongs to the phylum Sporozoa. Plasmodium undergoes asexual reproduction in human host and sexual reproduction in the female Anopheles mosquito. Malaria symptoms occur when the parasite undergoes erythritic cycle. Gametes enter the invertebrate host. The gametes will fuse to form a diploid zygote in the stomach of the mosquito. And nowadays, Africa is so much affected for this malaria. So be safe and be secure. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.